Hi Forex traders, hope you all are well. I'm an official member of FOREX BD. Today I came up with a new video. Although I will not share any strategy in this video, I will discuss a small issue. Maybe many people know and many people may not know. Since it's important to know any subject to do something good in Forex. So I have brought a small subject in front of you. Maybe this subject will help you in the case of Forex trading. So basically the thing is that those who do mobile trading know that there is an app for mobile trading on any broker called mt4 or mt5. This means that only with these apps you can trade with any forex broker, which means if you want to change the broker for any reason, you don't have to install any other software again. Just log out with the same apps, then search by typing the name of the broker, then all server in that broker will show in front of you, and you will trade by logging in with your ID and password by clicking on your own server. That means with an app you can trade with any forex broker. Many of us know that this is only possible in mobile, but there are different software for laptop. So if you change the broker, you have to install the software again in the new way. In other words, suppose you are trading XNext broker. Now for any reason you want to change the broker and you want to go to XM. This is a lot of trouble because in this case you have to delete a software or uninstall it. Then you have to go to the website on the new broker and you have to download the platform again, then install and log in. So even though these tasks are not so difficult, but these are boring for many and this is time wasting. So to save your time and to get rid of such install and uninstall problem, in today's video we will show you a way through which you can trade with any broker by using a software. Many times we have to change the broker for different reasons, especially when the broker cheats in different ways, such as making fake candles or with large amount of spread. Then we need to change the broker. Again, it's often seen that a trader does not get benefit that is often seen by having an account with a broker in the hope of getting it. So the trader have to change the broker. So if you want to change the broker, you can change it very easily. That's why we have bought today's video. In this video, we will show you a small topic through which you can install any software of any broker and you can log in and trade with any broker with that software. That means you can trade any broker by one software on laptop. You can see we have installed a software of XM to show you this. But we will trade in XNext broker house. That means we will change the broker, but we will not have to change the software. So for that, I will open the mt4 software. Then I will click the menu at the top left. Here you can see an option called open an account. Click on it. Then a new page will appear showing all the server of XM broker. But we will not log in to this broker as we will log in to another broker. So we will scroll down and by clicking on this option, we will enter our desired type of broker name. So we want to log into XNext broker. Now we will search by typing XNext. Then you will find that many server of XNext. From here we will select the desired server. As our server is trial 5, so I found it and selected it. Then you have to enter the ID and password. But before that, here we will select the existing trade account. Then the two options given here, these are ID and password. Here I will copy and paste the ID number and I will submit my password. If you click on this option with everything correctly, you will be logged in to your account, and you can see that our account has been logged in and here our mt4 has been launched. So you can see that our software is XM, but we have logged in XNext broker house. Not only these two brokers, but almost all brokers can log in and trade with one of your software. So if you want, you can easily follow this method and trade in any way without any hassle and without installing software again and again. Although today's topic is very small, but hopefully it's important for many to know because many times we need to change broker. So we shared this topic to make your work easier in that case. So if you like this video, don't forget to inspire us by your like and comment. And if you want to see more videos, please follow our playlist. And before finishing the video, I would like to say, if you like this video, please give us a like and share it with your friend because it motivates us to make more awesome videos for you. So be safe, be healthy, goodbye, tata.